Hey you guys, so today we are doing some twists for you guys, and I'm using MIELLE Organics products to achieve those results. So first I'm just getting ready to wash my hair. Usually I just put my hair, like I ball it up so it won't go down the drain. This was my first time using this shampoo and it was pretty cool. It really cleansed my hair, so I did like that. And I actually cleaned it a couple of times. I just try to make sure my hair is really clean. Still balling up hair. So that's how my hair looks after the shampoo. So next is the deep conditioner, and it smelled pretty cool. Like, I loved how after I did the deep conditioner, I still felt the mint in my head, like in my scalp. It was like tingling. But this deep conditioner is so good. I was able to run my fingers through my hair. Like, that's how you know the product is good, if you can run your fingers through your hair and you haven't even detangled yet. So now I'm back getting ready to wash that deep conditioner out. It really had my hair looking really nice, and it was really soft. I'm definitely going to be using it again. And that is all the hair that I had shed. That was from like 2 weeks of me not doing my hair at all. So this is after, and this is just how my hair looks. It's getting ready to air dry a little bit. So first I'm starting off with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. That was the only product that I didn't use that wasn't MIELLE Organics. And I always put a leave-in in my hair before I style. And I'm just separating the back. And so these are just medium twists. I use water, making sure my hair is saturated. And then I go in with my Tangle Teaser. And you can buy this product on Amazon. I'm telling y'all, it's the best detangler, period. And hands down, I haven't came across anything better. And then I'm going in with the MIELLE Organics Avocado Moisture Milk. And oh my gosh, y'all, this had my hair moisturized for days, like days and days and days. And it had my curls popping too, so I think I may try to use this for a wash and go on top of it, like with a gel. So I'm just separating, I detangle, and then I get ready to start twisting. Make sure you get a good enough product, and make sure your hair is pretty kind of wet, not soaking wet, but like, you know, wet enough. And that way you can have like better results as far as like once you take the twist down, if you want to wear a twist out. And at the end, I make sure I twirl the ends, and make sure you have enough product on the ends of your hair also. And so I'm detangling again, get ready to start another twist. And try to twist like close together, if that makes sense. Hopefully y'all know what I'm talking about. And then make sure you twirl those ends. So that's what it looks like right now. And then of course making sure I twist the end of that twist, because you want to make sure your end's looking good. And so there I am, almost done. And clearly I left a whole little strand curl back there that's just just out, ain't in no twist. And y'all, that product, like I said, it really had my curls popping, like, and it's so moisturizing. And so there I am, putting a little bit of that moisture milk on my ends, so I can make sure I get my ends good and moisturized and twisted well. And then I'm using the Shine Jam to lay my edges down somewhat. And I'm just gonna brush my edges a little bit with my edge brush that you can find at any hair store pretty much. And so here it is, the finished product. Simple, easy, beginner friendly twist that you can leave up as a style, or you can untwist it as a twist out. Whatever you decide, I'm sure everybody can do this. It's really easy. Bye, y'all.